Christmas tree. Okay naman, 9 out of 10. Eto naman, Pinterest din. Pero ang ganda ng pagkagawa ko. Nag-top 1 nga ako dyan eh. 1 out of 10 because of you.
Feel the utmost delight that I present to you a most scandalous update on our beloved circle of friends. Allow me to guide you chapter by chapter, beginning with none other than the most colored current of them all, Jorge. Wala naman masyadong update dito sa kanya kasi lagi naman siya nakikita. Parang same is, as is, where is lang talaga kami dalawa.
I made it home.
Hello, busy kayo no? Trabaho kasi. Pero, ako ba talaga yun kung walang plot twist? Ito na, road to TR.
Lalaki po si Cholong, di po siya buntis.
Zero visibility.
Wow.
Sa TikTok lang. Eh, kasi wala ko. Ay, kala ko siya.
Walaga.
Ayun lang.
I'm going home.
Kasi nandiyan naman na yung given years na pwede naman tayo dyan na lang pumunta.
Sige.
Tapos meron pa ano.
I'm playing Roblox. Look at that. I'll be having online classes tomorrow, so it feels like I'm going back to the pandemic times. But anyways, I'll show you guys what the online class looks like. I mean, we all been there, so you guys.
Sige, ite-record ko na muna tong meeting natin. So, ayan po. So, kung nakita niyo doon sa first handout is the history of long distance.
I'm having a mental block because it's 5:36 p.m. and it's supposed to be asleep right now. But anyways, I'm in class, so yeah.
Yung mga standardization na ginagamit sa school. May pakakuha, diba? May mga other government. So that is under the requirements determinations. Through credit card,
I was too stoned to speak.
Payment through PayPal using the PayPal services.
Oh no!
Payment.
Oh no!
Hindi na kailangan pilitin.
Wallpaper ako guys. Tapos ko. Gusto nyo to? Oh. Ito yung kakapain ko dito. Ayan. Ito na.
Sit down vlog. Panay ko.
Ano? Q&A. Ay!
Q&A. Dead na sa basher.
Wallpaper pa. Masakbayin dyan. Yes. Yun ka. Wait lang, nag-delay na pa kasi. Mali-mali pa. Big girl. Ginawa, bakit maulang?
Artisan friend.
Yes. Anong medium mo? XL ako eh.